Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. Here is the biggest and most beautiful croton plant that I have ever grown. It was not so easy as my plant was in bad stage just few months back. For example, before I started working on my plant, it was like this. It already lost many leaves, plus it was also losing 1 to 2 leaves on daily basis. So I decided to work on my plant and now here is the final result. Looking quite beautiful and so colorful. So let me show you what I did step by step. In case you are getting any difficulty while growing croton, this video is going to help you. The very first thing that I wanted to do is repotting my plant by providing a huge pot and fresh soil mix. For the pot, I took one 16-inch wider and 16-inch deeper pot. You don't have to do the same in case you don't want, and using a 12 to 14-inch pot would be more than enough. For the potting soil mix, I took 50% normal garden soil, 25% coco peat and rest 25% vermicompost, a very basic potting soil mix. Repotting done and let's see if there is any improvement. After 70 days and unfortunately there is no improvement and we need to do some other things. Let's prune few branches. I did not want to prune my plant and that's why I have used a much bigger pot. I was hoping that soon it's going to produce more branches. Please take a look how I am pruning. Pruning here as there are few side branches just below this point. You also don't have to throw the branches. You can grow more plants from all this and for time being just keep the cuttings in water so that they don't dry out. Prune 3 branches and kept other 2 as it is, just trying to give it a good shape. Let's move to the third step. Already remove the surrounding soil. Next, adding around 75 grams bone meal. Second component is 1 kg vermicompost. Third component is 50 grams neem cake powder. Very important note, if you are using smaller pot, please decrease the dose. As I am using a 16-inch pot which is quite big, applying bit more. Alright, I believe this is enough. Please wait for the result. It's after 45 days from pruning. Sadly, same thing is happening. Leaves are still falling off and edges of the leaves are getting dried. Please note, I always keep my crotons under whole day of sunlight. So far not getting any issues. But this year the heat wave was different and it was like sudden high temperature. That's why I decided to move the pot to other place so that it gets only morning sunlight. Let's say till around 11 am. Let's see what happens next. This is the result after 110 days from pruning. Now please take a look at the plant. I am so glad it's growing this way. One interesting thing, the leaves are looking more of a green. It's because it was not getting direct sunlight for more hours. In November, I shifted the plant to a place where it gets direct sunlight for the whole day. Finally, this is how the plant is looking in December month. So healthy and colorful. I hope you are happy with the final result. Because of more sunlight, it's getting so colorful comparing to before. In winter, few leaves may fall off and it's absolutely normal. But as you can see, the plant is really healthy. So what other things I am doing? Just basic things. I have been applying 1 kg of vermicompost once in 45 to 60 days. On second, applying Biovita seaweed extract once in 25 to 30 days. Basically, it contains all the micronutrients, and you can also use other brand containing all these components. The dose is 1 ml in 1 liter water, and then try to spray on both surfaces of the leaves. Again, to get colorful leaves other than the direct sunlight, applying this fertilizer is important. Please note, mealybugs attack croton a lot. So please try to apply pesticide on regular basis. Let's say once in 7 to 10 days. I already have a video about 5 easy ways to get rid of mealybugs. In case you are interested in knowing more, please do check out the next video. So that's the story about my most beautiful croton plant, and I hope you found the video useful. If you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to gardening update. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.